Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Online Marketing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do directory submission and what is directory submission. So first of all, we see what is directory submission. Directory submission is basically a SEO or page activity in which we are submitting our website URL to various web directories or websites online to generate high quality backlinks to our own websites. Directory submission helps in increase our page rank by building the high authority backlinks. That's why we are doing directory submission. Now, how to do directory submission? So there are four important steps for directory submission. First of all, search directory submission sites on Google. Second step, check its DAPA and spam score. Third step is check whether it is free or paid. And step 4, submit your site with link, title, description and email and your name. Okay, so first of all I am going to show you first step, that is search directory submission sites on Google. So just go to your Google site and search here hi DAPA directory submission sites 2020-22, right? So you will get, you can see here many results, right? 150 plus high directory submission sites, then this one, right? So I'm going to click on this. So you can see here many sites, right? You can see, right? So what is our second step? Now you have got your list, suppose from Google, right? From Google data. Now second step is check its DAPA and spam score. What is this DAPA and spam score? DA is basically a domain authority, PA is the page authority, and SS is the spam score. So always keep in mind when you submit your website link to any website that the website should have high DAPA and low spam score, and DAPA should be greater than 20, or we can consider 35 plus, and spam score should be less than 20. Because why we are doing this activity? To generate high authority backlinks, right? That means the sites which has high DAP and low spam score. If we select spam high spam score sites, we get the backlinks from spamming sites, and that's why our rank uh, will get decrease in the search engine result pages. So this is the thing. So that's why second step is very important, that is check its DAP and spam score. Now how to check DAPA? Again, it is very simple, just type DAPA checker. Now here I'm you can search with any one of this. I'm going to open this DAPA checker most. You just have to, suppose you are going to submit your link to this site, copy this link and paste it here, and just check this box, that is I'm not a robot, then check, right? So you can see here is the result. So DAPA is 3852 and spam score is 1. That means this site is good because DAPA is greater than 35 and spam score is less than 20. So this site is good. Now what is the third step? That check it whether it is free or paid. We are looking for free sites, right? So you just have to go to address bar, paste your site here, that one we have already selected. Now you can see here is the option, that is submit URL. Click on this. Now you can see here buy premium listing, or please go to specific subdirectory here, or submit. But we are looking for free site, right? So just search here. So this is premium, where we are not looking for premium or paid, we are looking for free sites. So this is a paid site. So what we're gonna do is we will go with another site. So just select this one, for example, copy. Again check DAPA, as I have already told you how to do is, and check this traffic lights and all, verify it. Now check it. Now you can see a DAPA 30, 52 and 1. Now submit URL here. Second step done. Now third step. So you can see that here is the site, right? So what we have to do is we have to submit a website. So search where is that uh, link submission, submit site. Here you can see that submit a site tab. Just click on that, right? Now you can see here is the package, that is free package. Then these are the featured and sponsored package, right? So we are looking for free listing, so just click on the free option. Now you can see here you can uh, paste, copy and paste your website URL, company name, and short description, your name, email and all the things, right? So I'm just you can see here, here is my link, title, description, email, right? So I'm just going to copy my link, right, and paste it here. Then my company name is suppose blogger. So this is my company name, for example, right? Now short description. So this is my description. I'm just to copy and paste it here. Then my name, suppose it's a VM. Email is my, this one is my email address, so I'm just to copy and paste it here. Then category is my website category is education, so I'm selecting education. If your website is related to health or computer, you can select a relevant category, right? So education. Then choose region, so select subcategory. Again it's a science and education. Now I accept terms and condition and submit website. Let's see. See, you can see the message, thank you, site submitted successfully. And now we just have to copy this URL for our reference, right? Because I'm submitted. And you can make data sheet or make like targeted URL. You can make the column. So I think now you have to understood how to do directory submission, right? Now I'm going to show you another website. You can see here I have already made a directory submission site 2022 datasheet. So I have already 30 plus websites for directory submission, free directory submission. So I'm going to show you for this site. Copy, paste it here, right? Now here on this site you can clearly see the categories for website submission, and submit link option is here. You just have to click on that. Now you can see link types, that means these two are paid and these two are free. This is regular, right? And this is also regular, right? You can select any one of this. So I'm select, this is with reciprocal, right? And this is with, just you have to submit it. You do, or you no, no need to put reciprocal ring. So just for, I'm going for this. So again my title, as you know, this is my title. So just copy it, paste it. Then URL again, this is my URL, just paste it. This is now description, this is my description, just put it here. Her name, suppose, yeah, VM, Now your email, not this. My email is, what are your email of your business? You can paste it here. Then you have to choose the category, as already I told you my category is education. So now enter this below code. So Q W K C H and 6 and continue. So again you can see here is the message that is link submitted and awaiting approval. So my second web directory submission is done. So I hope you understood what is directory submission, how to do directory submission, what is the important things uh, we have to keep in mind while doing any submission activity in SEO. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Online Marketing. And till then, bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching this video.